Hello, my diamonds. Today we have 3D printed a fidget spinner with these cats. As you can see, I love cats. So, it has details of cats over here. Let's just adjust it. Do you see some light pink? Do you see this? Oh yes. It's like a nose, two eyes, some whiskers, and a mouth. Very happy mouth. So, this is a fidget spinner, but CEO number 1 just didn't put something inside of there. But he tried to put it on, but he couldn't because it was too small. So we're gonna come back in a second. Bye-bye. Preview. This is just a preview. We're coming back in a second. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, now we're coming back. Maybe. Yes, we are. So, now, these are the pins. We are supposed to put them like this inside of this fidget spinner hole, of course. Because what would you do with this thing? Dumbbell? Tiny dumbbell? No. So we put it in between the circle thing, and that makes it, sorry, and then that just makes it, like, pretend this fidget spinner, it makes it like that. But we need to add something here to make it extra spinny. I keep on dropping it. Wow. So this one does not have a hole inside. This one has a much more larger hole than this, because how is it going to fit inside if it's the same thing? It's just gonna... So you need it like that to fit. So now this is the spinny thing that goes inside, and it's actually called a bearing, so it goes inside like that. Sorry. Wait a second. Okay. So this is the bearing. Wait a second. This is the bearing. We put these pin things inside of here. Wait a second. Just unblurry it first. So we put it inside of here. I keep on dropping these things! Okay, back. So then we put it back. We put it inside. So it's like this. Like, do you see the fidget? Sorry, do you see this fidget spinner now? Like this. And then we fit this inside of the hole, and then we put these 2 pins inside too. It's moving, but you just can't see it. It's like a dumbbell. Do you know those dumbbells? So now we've put it on this thing in the last video. This twirly thing where we use a handle to move it. So when I move it, it's going to be very noisy, but just don't mind that. This is a spinny thing from the last video. We've put all of the things on this piece of paper on here because it was pink and everything's pink. So yeah. So this thing you see there goes inside of the, this hole, and then these go it secures this bearing in place of here. So then we have a fidget spinner. No, a cat spinner. So, CEO number 1 has put the bearing, the 608 bearing, inside of this hole. So now he will put the pins in place. So then it's going to be complete. So he's going to secure them together. It's with a hood. And I do not like that sound. So now he can spinny. It's a fidget spinny. Let me try. Spinny. Like, I imagine if they had technology inside of them, they would, every time I spin it, they go like meow, 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 meow. It would be nice for me and my friends because they also like cats. And I like these little ears and whiskers. And it does make like a fidget spinner circle. You see the circle? Yeah, I think you do. Helicopter! Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.